Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having an awesome Saturday. Not sure how this is showing up on your end. My end, this looks really funny as far as the lighting goes. I'm in my car. I'm waiting on Jonathan. He has basketball practice today, and it's quite a bit of a drive from home. So I decided to hang out, and I brought along with me my journal. So today I was at the store really early because my husband was working the Black Friday event at Walmart, and so he got a hold of me with some cool deals that were going on. And so while I was just kind of walking around shopping, I decided to go look for a gratitude journal. So this one is really cool. I've seen journals before, but this one I really like because it has your date, and then let me see if I can look from this side so I can show you what you're grateful for, and it gives you quite a bit of room. And then today I am, then you have a space, then you can doodle if you want to. Then on the next side, I'm still gonna have to do this again. Okay. It has make it happen, like what are your goals, and a to-do list, your schedule, if you're going to exercise, your meals, what did you eat for the day. So I really like this one because this one will hold me accountable to some different things. So nice. Oh my gosh. I'm falling apart here. Hello. Where am I at? There we go. Sorry about that. That was not supposed to happen. But now that I'm not holding my journal, I can, that's what happens when you're in a car. So today I got a hold of another ring light. I have one coming in the mail that I won, but it's one that fits your desk. And the one I bought today is actually 62. It stretches to 62 inches like my old one that my cat broke. So I'm really excited that I'll have a couple of them that I can kind of bounce. One can stay on my desk and the other one can go elsewhere. But anyways, do you have a gratitude journal? And if not, you need to go get one. It's good to have for anybody, for anything you're doing. It's great to have. And then even that, it has, after each day, has 2 pages for notes. And so you can, if you're watching a teaching on something, be it a sermon, be it business related, anything that you're learning, that you're watching, you have room for notes as well. So anyways, I just wanted to hop on and show my new little journal. This is really cool. I really love it. I've had journals before and they're usually blank. So this one I really love because it's got all this stuff. That's the one side. Then it has your goals, your schedule, to-do list, your meals, your exercise, and then it has 2 full pages of notes that you can do every single day. It has this, and it was under $10. So to me, that was a great deal because when I looked at some others that said gratitude journals, it was blank. Every single page was absolutely blank. And so this one spoke to me. This one was just yeah, it fits my style because I need stuff to go, okay, what about this? What about this? So anyways, I'm pretty excited about this. It's going to make me have to sit down and write out goals every day, to write out what I'm thankful for every day, and then just go through and make a schedule for my day even, because I sometimes will get where I just end up wasting my day because I have it all right here and I don't write it down. And so if I don't write it down, then I'll either forget about it or say that I'm going to do it later. So anyways, if you don't have a gratitude journal, go to Walmart, go to Amazon, get you a journal. I'm sure the dollar store has them too, but this was under $10. So that was a good deal. And I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye.